Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to activate Coinbase Wallet. It is a very simple and easy process, so let's dive right in. First of all, find the Coinbase Wallet on your home screen. If you don't have the Coinbase Wallet, you can simply download it from your Play Store or App Store. After getting it, simply tap on it. Now, to activate it, you can simply create a new wallet. Just tap on it. Now you can allow your Face ID to use on the wallet, just like this. Now tap on to allow. Now you can simply claim your username, or you can do it later. And now you can see the Coinbase wallet has been activated. Now to activate Coinbase Wallet, you also need to log into the Coinbase app. And that's it. This is how you can activate the Coinbase Wallet on your mobile phone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.